When was the last time you learned something that truly changed how you behave? Most adults don't change because someone told them to. And that's why so many programs fail. Great content, great intent, but no real change. At Proventus HR, we know real learning happens differently, very differently. So think about the last time you made a mistake, a big mistake at work. And what did you do that evening? You reflected, you replayed it in your head, and that's where learning begins. And then you probably also talked it through with someone you trust. And that's how learning sticks. So, the three steps, as we understand for human learning: step one, deep immersion; step two, honest reflection; step three, and a very critical one, meaningful conversation. We at Proventus HR create those experiences for you. Not slides, not lectures, real learning, real change. And we call it experience learning. And it works. So, what did you learn today?